Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren says Churchandpur District Hospital will be upgraded into Medical College. Centre's response is being awaited. Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam says legal actions will be taken against culprits involved in question papers leakage of COSIM's Class 11 examinations. Council of Teachers Association, Kota, says government is insincere in implementing School Phagat Hanse mission. People protest dissolution of Kumbi Awang Kunau Aided Primary School and Kumbi Awang High School at Kumbi Awang Kunau in Vishnupur district for establishing a private school. And negligence by authorities concerned turns Khuzai Rock riverbanks under Morris subdivision in Technopal district into dumping sites. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham bringing you the top stories. Leader of the House, Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren has disclosed that a proposal has been sent to the centre to sanction funds for upgrading Churchandpur District Hospital into a medical college and that the centre's response is being awaited. It was responding to the calling attention motion raised by opposition MLA K. Ranjit in the House of the 10th session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly on the 5th day today. Chief Minister said efforts were made earlier to set up a medical college in Chandal district as it is one among the 100 aspirational districts selected in the country. However, falling short of certain criteria, the plan was shelved. He said criteria for upgrading into a medical college are 200-bedded hospital on 20-acre land area. Biren said Churchandpur District Hospital fulfills the criteria. He assured that proposals will be sent in the near future to upgrade Thoubal and Chandal district hospitals into medical colleges.
Nahana Kanagre meeting Dogre, Hosiki medical Gisiki, Churchandpur Yagre, Hosi Ani Dugidu, Haying Sandial Gisul, Lamdu Fazana, Dishina, Moy village, Unasersano, Unarga Fazana, Len do development the Sanga, the Brasang with the Yanga Madu Yarakan proposal to Tare. Tobal Gisu, Hosiki Tangnabadu, the immediate Tangnabadu, the Kalawaya Bra, Aduga 200 bedded Aburetong, Tawal Gisinamo, aspirational way, the minimum special consideration. Sandil Gina Quina Kanaraman, aspirational, Weber district Weberina Quina pressure to the the honorable member ki concern ru mayamda tambiro husiki hairiba pochi criteria indago mena piriba Ministry of Health piriba criteria to subunate hanadagi adu yanadi takna sena tawrubani pinanaba madu delay tawgini haidana maina ai honorable deputy speaker ki khudam ka thank you.
Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam has declared in-house that legal actions will be taken against those involved in the leakage of question papers of COSIM's Class 11 examination. He was responding to the calling attention motion raised by opposition MLA Kumukcham Joykishan in the House today. Minister Radheshyam said investigations are underway into the incident. He assured that strict measures will be taken and the examination will be rescheduled.
ngarang dang atheng huwa koi commissioner ne aduga council chairman tonganba examination committee bo phamalakanda kari dawse khanna bane do pungama da thorak ko koi chumam moidra yem chum akoi tanaba da verify tawro kana chumam me chumamina akoi masi reschedule tawraga akoi proof tawraga thigalaga packing tawra pi gibnina packing moi pikhalane pikhalak matamda kairam bataragadi tawdri parkhane kairam agadi haktoye khangani kairam dragana akoi source ani le amana principal singna moina tawbama government school gi obi maybe private school obi atopa amana akoi council gi staff sing leak oiramama so akoi animak inquiry tawri proof tawri aduga akoi council le darome akoi na patik saba dandi immediately akoi logjagani aduga asomda school gi concerned principal singna tawrame OC office officer in charge na tormagana private oramona akoi will de-recognize the concerned school se akoi de-recognize tawni ba du tormagadi aduga somdana akoi gi government gi oramaga so akoi as per akoi gi rule gi matungina will take action.
AMSU, in a press release, strongly condemned the leakage of Class 11th examination question papers and demanded to form a special team to investigate the matter. Kanglaipak Students Association, KSA, also demanded to book and punish those involved in the question leakage latest by February 27th. And Council of Teachers Association, Kota, has lambasted the government of failing to implement school Bhagat Hansi mission in a sincere manner. Kota, along with various teachers association states, is set in demanding rectification of revision of pay ROP 2019 and ZEO Wangkoi office campus today. Speaking to media, Kota co-convener Dr. L. Ritendro said school Bhagat Hansi mission will not be successful without the participation of teachers. He condemned the government for failing to address the concerns which forced them to launch protests instead of executing their duties. Dr. El Ritendo warned the government of intense agitation by the teachers if their demands are not met.
Raja mayam dadi school phagalan si education si yaudra sakar si karimta chalai bunga moy tungi future karimta leite hairaga su ngasi praja mayam da namthak tawbiri oja sing dadi sudat piri ana school phagalan si haidana government gi lairiba machinery mayam sina di sangaraga school khak khanbiramaga maru yaudaba matung yaudaba amadi madugi structure leitaba oja sing gi support yaudra di school phagalan si haibase masi kota gi site gi ariambani maramaduna oja sing busu akoi gi phagalan biu oja sing busu tungi yumboren mayam nation builder oibada achoba thawang yauri haibase masi government gi site thamjage maramaduna athuba matamda 2019 gi ROPSC rectification tobiduna AGP haiba system aji muthat piraga grade pay da onthok pibase masi matam yam changhan dabida oja singbu harauna nungaina amadi tungi future gi leiriba satrana haron singje sangatpada achouba akoi gi thawdang adu yahanabagi damakta oja singi demand ase pithok.
People today protested the dissolution of Kumbi Awang Kuno Aided Primary School and Kumbi Awang High School at Kumbi Awang Kuno in Bishnupur district in an effort to establish a private school. Protesters held placards which reads, "No property of the school can be destroyed. Retired headmaster K.H. Devendra should not be allowed in the school campus. Do not disturb learning process," etc. Speaking to media, a guardian said only one headmaster has been running both the schools under a committee since its establishment in January 1960. She claimed that 3 retired headmasters, K.H. Devendra, K.H. Budhi Chandra and W. Mani, jointly formed Kumbi Awang High School Development Committee in 2018 and have been trying to convert the schools into a private school. She said the school's furniture were moved out by breaking locks of the school this morning at 6 a.m. in their process to convert the school into a private school.
Chatra singdu ngachi class to blai chatra singche lei tamang khagde ma khoina ranai private to ge lagli ba Devendra hai ba mogi police khangde ama khagde atang moina ko denje pini sa sing le tamung khangdre aduna sarkar gi miyeng sang biduna amuk tang di achumaran thido pidune sa singje mapung phan le taman ba ohin views
private to ge hanya sang pa kangu sing sina khoi gi fan sing munchiba maram oiduna khoi lektam ham sang leitre aduna athuba matamda mari leina ba authority singna yingsin yu haina haijari.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, in a press release said flying squad of AIMS and DESAM inspected 11 exam centers of the ongoing COSIM Class 12 examination today and found COSIM flying squads and invigilators at Mangol Nganbi College, Ningthau Khong and Hairok Higher Secondary School neglecting their duty. The student bodies appealed to COSIM to take strict measures in the 2 centers for the remaining papers. Kujai Rok river banks under More subdivision in Tengnopal district have turned into dumping sites due to negligence by the authorities concerned. Impact News found plastic and food waste piling up at the river banks. The highly contaminated river water has also turned black in some areas. Various organizations and relevant authorities had cleansed the river previous year. However, people continue to pollute the river. Community leaders of More have urged the government to take measures to save the river at the earliest before it becomes unfit for use. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West sent accused killer husband of late Ayekpam Merina and his brother to 5 days of police remand today. 27-year-old Ayekpam Chinglensana and his 21-year-old brother Ayekpam Naucha, sons of Janeshwar from Takil Khongbat Leirak Achauba, have been accused of killing Ayekpam Merina. Impact News sources said Merina was found hanging in her room in the wee hours of February 14th and later she succumbed to death at ribs. Police kept a strict vigil at the court complex to avoid any unwanted incidents as the accused killer brothers were produced before the court today, but family members of the deceased woman somehow managed to thrash the brothers. Meanwhile, JAC Forum Against the Suspicious Death has submitted a memorandum to the authorities concerned to serve justice. JAC convener P. Sanahanbi said Ayekpam Merina died in suspicious circumstances. Hence, JAC will not claim her body until the truth behind her death is revealed.
Kwagi osi amadi mari lenaba ayona matik saba moida hangbaya ba mongja hangakarma misi ji langla langjing pame pai dead body lawde misi ji gi langla langjing khangde ba khoi dead body si lawjaroi param de siri ba jam singni nga ba maram da siramani ahamade de khoi jam samna khalam dana magi nupa masa lawri ba mai mapuro ba si ba yum da kaudra wari watai sana dana khoi am phajana tawramani fire ba khoi tapna sale koina asi ba si lawra yam tuna mai thadok ne yam tuna lotion ngi mut ang khang moi de or phang de amadi misi ji kang khan jai khok thor ya da si ba si thajan ngai gi wang ma da oibna khoi na misi ji langla ji chumna thibi hai ba matam da huji phau ba misi ji gi langla ji am da puthok pidre sida pen da aduna kota puthore ji ngasi ga ani rak surabani adu asumba puthok pangam da maram ora ga khoi i hok lepsa kiro dead body si lokjo kiro asumba langla ji khangde ba ko kongjang lepa leitena sangse jagi na phom tamjari.
On the other hand, family members of Ayekpam Chinglensana said he did not kill his wife, Ayekpam Merina. Speaking to media at Takil Khongbal Leirak Achauba Club today, Chinglensana's relative Huidrom Sanjoy said the couple had issues over Merina not returning home. He alleged late Merina of having an extramarital affair and claimed that she must have hung herself.
Imong nupisi macha nupisina tahi ama makhayong pharakpada masi numit humni mangthore mangthobuji isa nupa yauna thirubo matamjida phangdre isa nupa ji moina nangyumda halo mamena thadoraga numit nongni ni silaraga humni subasida moina macha nupisi puraga thinbire isi hosina su handak tinga pirabne duni dani manamani naidana lotion bigre khoidaju kaimta manamani je phongdoraktre adumai tawdana mamangda ju khara pamdaba thodok thokibadi lei asengwadi suicide khudimok nupa mayumda ainagani haibagi pochimdi thadokpiu nupa mayumda mara lerame patik chabadandi phangjajanu adubu nupi mayumdagi sugumba crime jigi hoi haningai su leite nupi mayumda nupi jigi ningai sangdanabadagi nupa mayumda ma mayum palaga leibanina nuaidana pendana yumda laga suicide tawbusu kokthong ama yawi aduna yaragadi media gi thongda haijari achumba langla langjing puthokpiu
magi misi asida akhoi lekaisna misi sigi langla langjin je akhoi ngasi leiriba sarkar amadi civil society organization punamakna misi sigi matangda achumba langjing punamakna thidokmina si siram misi gi mara leiba khudima sigi dandi pibada su akhoi lekai sigi maira amadi club na sauna saruk yagani habaji ayo ofam dai thamjaningi.
Nainasang Club Tera Lokrakpam Laikai, in a press release, demanded authorities concerned to book and award befitting punishments to culprits involved in the suspicious death of Ayekpam Merina at the earliest. Newly revived Amokok's General Secretary Muhammad Abdul Qayyum alleged SM Jalal of creating disharmony and maligning Amokok. He met the allegations during a press meet held at Amokok office in Lilong, Hauraibi in the presence of Amokok President Muhammad Ibosina and Central Committee members. Muhammad Abdul Qayyum further alleged that SM Jalal of taking advantage of his position as Amokok president for personal gains. He said SM Jalal continued holding on to his position even after expiry of his term and even halted activities of the committee. He said Amokok has been finally revived in consultation with the Central Committee leaders. The General Secretary said the committee strongly condemns self-proclaimed President SM Jalal for kidnapping executive members of the committee, including its president. He warned SM Jalal to bear responsibility for any unwanted incidents over such incidents. Muhammad Abdul Qayyum said the committee will submit a 14 points memorandum to the Chief Minister demanding welfare measures for the Maitai Pangal community.
Lakriba lupa lak amani gi sefam dugi audit tawdana hariba jalan si Delhi da satkraba matung sida Lilong horibi college sida senja thumja tawba sida senabada organization gi maraktegi karigumba yorum bataragadi aikhogi organization gi president sin lakbaga action lawgani aina press media da lawthugi damakta ai isamak jauna president na kanagumba central committee advisor singe ya ba yaudana mana magi power ni hire kanda lawthuga leire aikhogi president pharaga amadi executive sing pharaga phu seiba aikoi da yaure aikhogi amuku ke executive sing central committee gi leader sing advisor sing sympathizer sing da karigumba phatanung da karigumba thorok pataragadi amukok ni haijariba zalan amadi rais amadi magi khungloi singi mathakta sapsana action lobuga loina na khoi mathakta Manipur sarkar da aikoi action lanonaba aibe serol masu athu matamda pisalagani.
High Court of Manipur today carried out recording deposition of election petition number 10 of 2017 filed by Sapam Kunjikeshwar, NEIDP candidate of Patsoi constituency in 2017 general elections. President of NEIDP Central Working Committee, S. Kunjikeshwar, expressed firm belief that justice will be served on the case at the earliest. It may be mentioned that S. Kunjikeshwar filed a case at the Supreme Court citing errors in the election result of the constituency. Election RO first declared S. Kunjikeshwar as winner of the election, but after a brief interval, the RO announced that MLA A.K. Mirabai has won the election by a margin of 114 votes in a suspicious manner. The case was first filed at the High Court of Manipur in April 2017, but since the court failed to come to a verdict, it was again filed at the Supreme Court in 2018.
I am Tazaba Mimoina, Atu, shortest possible period, justice say a quick delivery of Navigi, Tazaba, and a sea. Simai Punina Pogge, Aina, I built already to the section of section Punamaktamatu, I in the Tazaba Tamsi, I in Tazarbakanda, and get Masak Tokpa, while a Rupichar Pangani Haberchi. I built on Yamana, Nasi Sumaba, Keski Suma, Kongjin Yang, essentially proceeding a share, Atu to conclude Tony Hanai Tazazi.
MPP General Secretary election C.H. Joykumar has appealed to party president O. Jugindro and self-proclaimed Interim President L. Krishna Das to submit their relevant financial documents to Party Observation Committee within 3 days to conclude the ongoing internal conflicts of the party. Speaking to media at Wahangbam Laikai today, C.H. Joykumar said ongoing internal conflict of MPP is not a leadership crisis but a financial one. He said both the parties should agree to hand over the matter to the Party Observation Committee, which was unanimously formed by MPP Working Committee.
Moina election the season nakiba de amatokiba expenditure punamak lergadi observation committee da report to ngasi daina numi humni gimunung da pisan view adui matung da observation to hollaga mada thigal halaga mara laibe sing do Nandi PG.
Madam Saragadi, Pashasing a setting from Tokoni, Pui Haragadi, Aduga, Pudragadi, Pashasi, Singoi, Maduda, Sienaba Muising, President Oigera, Finance Management Committee, Gimio, Ogera, Sienaramba Muising Adudi, Party Man, and Nabi Damata, Labor Mui in Haidana, Observer Committee, Madi, Hojak Lajariba, Opus Bear, I could Mayam, the Subsana, stand Tower Lady Benny.
Students of Ningthau Kong Sadar Patel High School at Ningthau Kong are deprived of adequate teachers and infrastructure. All Manipur Students' Union, Bishnupur District Committee in a press release warned authorities concerned of intense agitations if matter is not addressed within 3 months. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you a special report on an exclusive training program for bamboo artisans which begin today. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Prime Time English News. Exclusive training program for bamboo artisans on bamboo processing, machine operation and maintenance kicked off at Common Facility Center Hall in Sawongbong, Imphal East today. Ken and Bamboo Technology Center, Bornihad Assam, along with National Bamboo Mission Manipur, organized a program under the funding of Northeastern Council NEC Shillong. The training will continue till March 9th. Speaking to media, Additional Principal Chief Conservator of State Forest Department, Dr. D.D. Haukip stressed on the benefits of bamboos right from bamboo shoots for consumption to its utilization in making houses and handicrafts. He also said abundant bamboo plantations will help in combating global warming crisis as trees take above 10 years to mature, whereas bamboos and canes can be harvested within 4 years. Dr. D.D. Haukip said bamboos have started replacing woods for making various items with the ban of felling of trees. He said National Bamboo Mission, Manipur State has already launched one processing unit each at Imphal East, Churachandpur, None and Kakching till date, and further assured that a treatment plant will be launched soon to boost the state's economy. Divisional Forest Officer of Central Forest Division, R.K. Amarjit, and Manager of Cane and Bamboo Technology Center, Bornihad, Assam, H. Priyokumar took part in the event.
National Bamboo Mission akoi Manipur na hoju paikhat pasi processing unit machine sing se simphal da malere ko none da ma Churachandpur da ma aduga Kakching lamkhai da khangsim da mathame kaino adi moi district homes Manipur da maximum growing bamboo growing district ni adu akoi experiment basis as thame akoi establish tore aduga adu the raw material dum available hoire ko aduga public su moi bamboo growers singumba farmers tinga artisans singna moi the maximum kana bala kani processing unit di tore di value addition tore ko adu the bamboo gi masa na masamak de maman dum hele mamang da koi plan ba 250 of the at least 405 me de tung oi ba yai ko kaino market do processing unit the value addition tore treatment tore adu already kaino si maman su masala dum ka henget kani adu koi na su si ahum pakhal le processing unit for value addition khakta na te ba si treatment plan su tham gani at the same time bamboo waste management he do moi waste material sing su ko adum charcoal briquette kargum se ba jana ngai do adu su koi national bamboo mission Manipur gi plan di yaure.
Kauna Handicraft Technical Training Program held at Iraima Workshed in Kongban Nandaibam Laikai since October 21st last year concluded today. The 4-month training program was sponsored by Handicraft Service Center, Porumpat under Development Commissioner Handicraft, Ministry of Textile, Government of India. Equipments required for making Kauna crafts were presented to trainees at the valedictory event. Progressive Writers Association Manipur observed the 5th death anniversary of renowned author cum politician of Communist Party of India left-wing party Govind Pansari at Iravat Bhavan in Imphal today. Speaking on the sidelines, CPI National Executive Member Dr. M. Nara said Govind Pansari was killed for his magnum opus Shivaji Kaun Hota, based on the biography of the 17th century King of Maharashtra, Shivaji. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of Govind Pansari at the event. Many authors recited poems on the occasion.
Govind Pansari bu hatkiba amasung maki lairik asida singnar punam ase chumna khanba mi sing tumina leiba ngamde adudani sahityaकार gi award phangiba Padma Shri phangiba Bharat ki writer kayama nifu gi mathakta mana handu Bharat sarkar to protest against the killing of Govind Pansari. Bharat ki luching ba kayana manana sengriba संविधान secularism chaning badharma chachaba yaba secularism amasung socialism gi wakhlasi manghanaba dharma madu yumpham oibagi wakhalda constitution asina piriba provision kaya gi mayokta ain kaya amasung chanalochat kaya force sakti ga loinana hekta jabardasti tawrakpa chanalochat ama laibase it's very dangerous.
Krishna Das Memorial Trust has observed 24th Save the Handicapped Day at Hope Home, Takil Kongbal, Maning, Laikai. And Legal Aid Clinic Taubal observed World Day of Social Justice at the Conference Hall of District and Session Judge Taubal in Taubal District today. One-day legal awareness program was also conducted at the event. Indian Red Cross Society, IRC's Manipur State Branch organized blood donation camp held camp as a part of the IRC's centenary celebration today. The camp was held at IRC's Manipur office in Amchi Avenue. Speaking to media, State Branch Secretary Dr. R.K. Nimai, IAS retired, said the State Branch organized the camp as first of its various activities to be taken as per instructions from national headquarters. He said the camp, which provided facility for blood pressure, diabetes and general health checkup was held with support from the state government. Dr. R.K. Nimai said many volunteers donated blood at the blood donation camp held in association with Jennings Blood Bank. He urged people to donate blood as it is harmless to donate blood twice a year.
Blood donation camp si kaloi na apna sarkar gi mating logjar state government mating logjar ko health camp am se tawjari blood donation camp si apni volunteer mam na demgira ga dan tawbiri apna appeal tawjari badi hena apni volunteer se chongthokpiro maramdi ebc dagi hena chawba dan si leitrabani isada se kaimta mangmo leite chahi mong dani ra adum tawi yai isada yoriba blood te yoriba cells singse magi mapunsi lei mathanda dum sijagar damni aduna sidan tabiyo na akoi appeal se tawjari.
A combined team of Imphal East District Commando and 16th Assam Rifles arrested a man suspected to be an active worker of prescribed PRO yesterday afternoon. The arrested person is identified as 50 years old Takhelambam Noren, son of Nagin Singh from Kongpal, Lashram Laikai. Sources said Noren is a branch postmaster at BPO Awang Kongpal. He is accused of collecting ransom from government officials under the supervision of PRO Finance Secretary Irai. A combined team of NAB, Technopal District Police and 8 Manipur Rifles has destroyed an illegal poppy plantation at Gomi Hill Ranges in Technopal District. The team, including More Police Additional SP Operation Inspector Riaz and Machi Police OC, led by NAB SP W. Basu and Technopal District SP Bikramjit, destroyed the poppy plants cultivated over a stretch of 47 acres land at Gomi Hill Slopes under Machi Police Station in Technopal District yesterday. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, MCPCR, and Sumati Bala reopened TN Memorial Academy at Hairokpatri, Champrathong, Makong today. It may be recalled that a fire gutted down the academy in the intervening night of February 11th and 12th. TN Memorial Academy will begin its session from February 21st. School founder T. Gyaneshwar Elias now credited the reopening of the school in such a short time it was consumed by fire to the supports extended by generous people, local clubs and organizations of the state. Rehearsal of Sumang Lila titled Thamoigi Makhol, directed by Iboyai Makuman and written by Ranjit Ningthauja, was held at 1 El Movi's residence at Ayangpali Road today. Speaking to media, director Iboyama said the play carries the message of unity and harmony. He said Sangha Artists Association will showcase Thamoigi Makhol during the ongoing Sumang Lila Festival on February 22nd.
Nungsiba is Mang Boyadra Mani, Nungsiban in Punama for Porcadosi, Nungsinarkanda, intricity Porcatoni, intrication Porcatoni, Sing me, Tami, Kangi, Amakangi, Boycolebax, Land, Toy, Dominusin, Bayauda, but the Gakoi, Land, Toy, me, Canary, Miss, Narimidna, Lilas, same Nungsibu, Pogula, Kana Pore, Masu Mayamna, Ming Tahaning, the Nakuna, the Key Festival, the Yad and Compisi, and Takunito, the San Zagatori.
Magi, Lambida, Lebaking, Kigiboro, Negis of Torangi Boro, Sinmigi Boro, environment can Bagibu. Sum akoigi publicity gi mong khakta sum torokpa thamoi gi oiba orama phau yoroktabadagi thajaba mangtharakpa se mase khara da orasu ekoina kitang construction to boyaba medicize to boyaba adumba thim ama oina ekoina khallaga thamoi sengba makol se mi singina taninga e haba paujel je pinana ba hotnaba lelani.
Tangtech Global Infra Private Limited's first venture, Daikin Solution Plaza, was opened in Imphal today. The event was held at the showroom cum office complex of Tangtech Global Infra Private Limited at Ghari, Awang Laikai Airport Road. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Daikin Solution Plaza, Daikin Air Conditioning India Private Limited, Kuldeepak Vermani, said Daikin is a Japan-based world-acclaimed conditioning company providing centralized air conditioning products and servicing facilities. He assured that Daikin Solution Plaza will be beneficial for people of the state. Speaking to media, Managing Director of Tangtech Global Infra Private Limited, Thangjam Rakesh, said Daikin Solution Plaza will make available varieties of centralized AC such as VRV Homes, VRV X, VRV Chiller, cassette type, ductable, floor standing, split AV and ventilation system, air conditioning, as well as skillful engineers to provide necessary servicing. He added that a spear house of Daikin is located at Guwahati. Regional Director of Daikin Air Conditioning India Private Limited is Kunal Basu and Director Electrical Head of Airport Authority of India, Imphal Airport, Raju attended the event.
Daikin Solution Plaza hangi se akoina not only sales kitang tawna nate akoi design su tawgani ado heat load calculation then ducting design ma'am the pulap tawloraga akoina supply tawgani ado matung da su akoina service pigani any problems akoi sadom service tawnaba mi adum akoi gi team loim lei aduga design tawbagi team su pra lei akoi gi hoji anoba product ta VRV homes centralized AC for homes su leire adugi mathakta commercial VRV X tawraga product am su launch tawgre adu mathakta akoi gi shopping mall da tan achau 3500 puki lei service ki kaimta problem lai roi architect ma'am officials ma'am builders ma'am da request tawjari Manipur dagi akoina loimak piba ngamani sigi system se Daikin city only for dedicatedly for ACs.
And now, the sports news. Nesukrai and DM Rao Awang Sekmai beat their opponents in the 10th Shahid Manoranjan Singh Memorial CRPF State Open Football Tournament today. Group Center CRPF Langjing and Imphal West District Football Association jointly organized a tournament under the aegis of all ranks of Manipur and Nagaland sector CRPF and All Manipur Football Association AMFA. In the tournament's second match played at Sai Takyal Artificial Turf Ground today, Nesukurai dropped AKSA Kwakta by 5-0 for the winners, and Janice netted 2 goals at 6th and 38th minute, while Sonit Thapa, Kesitaljit and Somokanta scored 1 goal each at 40th, 46th and 80th minute. In the third match, DM Ra Awang Sekmai beat Nako Nambul Mapal 3-1 for the winners, and Gungun netted 2 goals at 1st and 40th minute, while AK Ningthemba scored 1 goal at 18th minute of the match. The lone goal of the losing team was scored by Sirung at 58th minute. Altogether, 24 teams are competing in a tournament on knockout basis. 4th and 5th matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow. Former director in charge of State Youth Affairs and Sports Department has allegedly tried to bifurcate a sports association. A press meet on the same was held at AMSA complex near Imphal Polo Ground yesterday, attended by President of Manipur Arm Wrestling Association, Dr. L. Sarat, and Association Executive Member K. Sarachandra. Speaking to media, Dr. L. Sarat said, Manipur Arm Wrestling Association, a controlling body of arm wrestling and armed sports in Manipur, was registered to Registrar of Society in 1981. He added that arm wrestlers of Manipur bagged their first gold medal at the International Arm Wrestling Championship held in 1996, after which Yash Department has been providing time-to-time incentives to the medalists. However, former Yash Director in charge sent a formal letter to Registrar Cooperative Society Imphal stating that arm wrestling and armed sports are 2 different sports on December 2nd last year. Executive member of the association, K. Sarachandra, said those unaware about sports should refrain from such conduct.
Youth Affairs and Sports Department ki Director in charge, Air Jantu Kumar Singh na arm sports amazung arm wrestling ki tongan ba similar natte similarity natte. Ado ngasi phawbada to 1998 tagi Youth Affairs and Sports Department na sanarasing gi nimit mari le na piba incentive sports award ta arm wrestling je arm sports hai kalam machi da yaul ga la arm sports hai kalam machi da arm wrestling gi pi la aina yamna nungai ta badi director jenta je khangna intellectual corrupted way mai makok khangna arm wrestling amazung arm sports ha ama khaktene arm wrestling gi leiriba rules amadi arm sports ki leiriba rule ani de khenaba amata leite table inchi kuntha taruk changbani sa inchi kunipan pakri chap mani arm wrestling na arm sport a sham kari gumba akoi gi jenta akoi respected akoi gi director in charge na piri ba asina maram moiraga restart tawrani na haine restart tawre national lakanda arm sports ki first abaduga arm wrestling ki first abad ani duga karma dano ba pido incentive award se.
And Neroka FC will meet Gokulam FC in a match of the ongoing 13th I-League season at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Speaking to media at Kuman Lampak ahead of the match today, Gokulam FC's coach Santiago Valera said Neroka FC will be a challenging team, though Gokulam FC has defeated them earlier in a home match. He said Neroka FC showed a great performance in their match with Mohan Bagan, though defeated. Santiago Valera said his team will strive to secure top 3 positions. Speaking to media, Neroka FC's coach Gif Raikhan said the remaining 4 home matches and 3 away matches of Neroka FC are very crucial for them. He assured that Neroka FC will put in their best to win tomorrow's match. Responding to Impact News query about their loss to Mohan Bagan by 6-2, Gif Raikhan said Neroka FC played their match without getting enough rest after they played 3 matches in a row, but nevertheless they gave their best shot.
They have very good players. I think that here in Manipur there is a place that come many players with too much good quality. They have too much fight to win, too much character to win. But we are ready to fight. We are ready as a team to try to do good football. I think that we are trying to do good football in all matches.
Hayengi match is a very crucial match, important match. You know, football, sometimes when we scored 5 goals, we are very happy. Sometimes we concede, 6 goals and 6-2, we feel sad. But we cannot stop hard work. So we have been working hard, preparing for the coming up match.
Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren says Churachandpur District Hospital will be upgraded into a medical college. Centre's response is being awaited. Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam says legal actions will be taken against culprits involved in question papers leakage of questions class 11th examinations. Council of Teachers Association Kota says government is insincere in implementing school Bhagat Hansi mission. People protest dissolution of Kumbi Awang Kunau Aided Primary School and Kumbi Awang High School at Kumbi Awang Kunau in Bishnupur district for establishing a private school. And negligence by authorities concerned turns Kojairok riverbanks under More subdivision in Tainopal district into dumping sites.